Walking is low impact, requires minimal equipment, can be done at any time of day and can be performed at your own pace. You can get out and walk without worrying about the risks associated with some more vigorous forms of exercise. Walking is also a great form of physical activity for people who are overweight, elderly, or who haven't exercised in a long time. Physical activity does not have to be vigorous or done for long periods in order to improve your health. A 2007 study of inactive women found that even a low level of exercise, around 75 minutes per week, improved their fitness levels significantly, when compared to a non-exercising group. Walking is simple enough that nearly any able-bodied person can do it. Plus it has tremendous benefits, from supporting a healthy immune system to boosting your metabolism to strengthening your joints, muscles, and bones, not to mention it's amazing for stress relief. Here's what else you can expect when you start walking for just a half hour, most days of the week. Walking will improve your mood. Walking has also proven to have an impact on our overall mood. How? Well, when walk, our body releases feel-good hormones called endorphins. When endorphins are released, they act as natural anti-depressants that effectively promote relaxation and even relieve pain. Your body gets rid of excess fat. Did you know that a brisk 30-minute walk at a pace of 6 km per hour can help you burn up to 200 calories? That's equivalent to a cheeseburger from your local fast food restaurant and/or one glazed donut. Our bodies burn fat for energy, and as we increase the intensity of our walking pace, our body continues to get rid of those excess calories. So the more we choose to walk, the more often calories burned and pounds dropped. Your bones get stronger. By age 30, our bones mass peaks and our bones begin to weaken. If we choose to not exercise or stay active, our bones will continue to thin, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. When we walk, the force we exude tugs on our muscles which, in turn, stimulates the formation of bone cells allowing our bones to maintain a strong and healthy status. Your body get better sleep. Take a walk during your day and say goodbye to counting sheep. When we walk, our body temperature rises and then falls after completion. This drop in temperature helps promote falling asleep and also decreases the time your body takes to actually fall asleep. Your heart gets stronger. Our heart is just like our muscles. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. When we choose a simple physical activity like walking, not only does our heart rate increase but also the blood distribution to your legs, body and cells. As you continue to walk, your heart will get stronger and pump more blood with each heartbeat. Pretty soon, the time it takes for your body to fatigue will also increase, meaning that your body will be able to endure longer increments of high-pace activity. Your chance of getting Alzheimer's disease decreases. According to a new study from researchers at the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine, walking at least 10 kilometers a week may protect brain size and preserve memory. When we walk, especially through a familiar path, our brain's memory circuits are strengthened. As such, walking may also slow the decline of Alzheimer's in patients. Your body's circulation improves. As you already may or may not know, lack of good circulation in your body can lead to life-threatening diseases such as atherosclerosis and peripheral artery disease. But what if I told you that walking can help reduce your chances of getting such diseases? As we walk, blood carries oxygen to our muscles, and your muscles learn to use oxygen more efficiently, which leads to better and stronger blood flow all throughout your body. How much weight can you lose by walking 1 hour per day? To lose weight, you must consistently eat fewer calories than you expend on a daily basis. You can either increase the number of calories you burn via exercise like walking, decrease the number of calories you consume, or both. It's often stated that 0.45 kilograms of body weight is equivalent to 3,500 calories. Based on this theory, you would need to reduce your calorie intake by 500 for 7 days to lose 0.45 kilograms per week. Although this rule fails to account for people with lower body fat percentages, as well as the decrease in calorie expenditure that comes with weight loss, a calorie deficit of 500 calories per day is appropriate for most people who want to lose weight. Part of this deficit can be achieved by walking 1 hour per day, while you can also gradually decrease the number of calories you consume. Depending on your calorie intake, a deficit of 500 calories per day may lead to 0.2 to 0.9 kilograms of weight loss per week. How to get started walking? Walking is an excellent form of exercise that most people can engage in. If you want to walk daily for exercise, it's important to start slowly and progressively increase your duration and intensity. If you're just starting, walking fast for a long time can leave you fatigued, sore, and unmotivated. Instead, start by walking 10 to 15 minutes per day at a comfortable pace. From there, you can increase your walking time by 10 to 15 minutes each week until you reach 1 hour per day, or a different length of time that feels good for you. After this, if desired, you can work on increasing your walking speed. Safety suggestions while walking. Walking is generally a safe way to exercise, but look out for unexpected hazards. Suggestions include: see your doctor for a medical checkup before starting a new fitness program, particularly if you are aged over 40 years, are overweight, or haven't exercised in a long time. Choose walks that suit your age and fitness level. Warm up and cool down with a slow, gentle walk to ease in and out of your exercise session. Wear loose, comfortable clothing and appropriate footwear to avoid blisters and shin splints. Wear sunglasses, sunscreen, long sleeves and a hat to avoid sunburn. Take waterproof clothing to avoid getting wet if it rains. Carry a walking stick or umbrella to fend off unleashed, unfriendly dogs. Before bushwalking, check the weather forecast and take appropriate safety measures, for example, pack correct clothing. Look out for hazards in alpine or coastal areas, such as cliff edges or large waves. Drink plenty of fluids before and after your walk. If you are taking a long walk, take water with you.